Morning, my maths group, middle of a week already. And today what we're going to be looking at for our arithmetic is all about multiples, but in particular between given numbers. And this is a really interesting type of question that you're going to be looking at today, because it's asking you to do a few things. It's asking you to think about what multiples are, but also between given numbers as well. So it says here, list all the multiples of 3 between 25 and 50. So first of all, you need to think, well, what is a multiple? So just have a think about that. What is a multiple? So lots of you will be saying, well, a multiple of 3 is the 3 times table, but we like in maths to call them multiples. So three multiples of 3 could be 3, 6, 9, etc. And the second part of the question is saying there's a multiple of 3 between 25 and 50. Now you could start at 3 and work all the way until you get past 50, but that's a lot of work to do. So I'm just wondering if you could use your multiple facts to think about what number closest to 25 would or could you start on. And if I multiply 3 by 10, that would get me 30. Now that's too high. So if I subtracted 3 off of that, I would get 27. If I subtracted another 3 off of that, I would get 24, which is below 25. So 24 wouldn't be, but 27 would be my first multiple of 3 between 25 and 50. And then what you're doing is just counting on every multiple of 3 from there until you get to past 50. So my next multiple would be 30, and then 33, 36, 39, I'm just going to move down to the next line, 42, 45, 48. Now what you might notice on the next one is the next multiple of 3 would be 51. Now if I look at the question, it says between 25 and 50. Now 51 is not between those two given numbers, so that wouldn't be a multiple of 3 between 25 and 50. So the answer to the question, list all the multiples of 3 between 25 and 50, are 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45 and 48. So children, same as every day, here's a question for you to have a go at. It's asking, list the multiples of 4 between 40 and 65. So have a go, pause the video, have a go, and then once you've had a go, unpause the video and we'll work together to find out what the answers are. Right, I hope you got on really well with that, children. So, multiples of 4 between 40 and 60. Now, if I started at 4 and worked all my way in multiples of 4 past 65, I would be there a long time. So I need to think to myself, well, what multiple facts of 4 do I know which are close to 40? Well, I know if I multiplied 4 by 10, that is 40. So my first multiple of 4 between 40 and 60 is 40 itself. And then I'm just counting in multiples of 4 until I get near 65. So my next one would be 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64. Now hopefully you've noticed then that if I added another multiple of 4 onto that, that would be 68, which is not, okay, between 40 and 65. So my answer to that question is the multiples of 4 between 40 and 65, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, and 64. Now the question in your arithmetic starter for today is list all the multiples of 5 between 106 and 149. So think to yourself firstly about multiplication facts of 5. So start somewhere near 106. So have a good try at that, children, Enjoy the rest of the maths lesson. See you tomorrow.